Hello everyone. For this video, we will compare three refund scenarios for a couple. We will also look into the approximate child benefits that they will be receiving. First, there's three things I want to remind you of. First is this is only for additional knowledge. I don't consider myself as an expert, and I may have missed something, so please do your own diligence. And this is a very, very basic calculation, so please um, you can ask your accountant for more information on your taxes. Secondly, please bear with my grammar. Thirdly, kindly subscribe to my channel. It gives me inspiration to share more. Thank you. So let us start. Um, Now this example, as I said, it's for couple with one child, and they are fully resident in Canada, in Ontario specifically. Okay. Yes, that's why this the tax bracket is based in Ontario. So let's start with the husband. The husband has an income of 57818. Again, there is no other T4 or no other T slips, no FHSA, no RSP or anything, nothing. Okay. Um, Basic only one T4. Okay. He has income and the spouse has an income too of 45,000. Okay. Since this year the spouse income is 45,000, it's more than the 15,000 basic amount. He won't be able to use the spousal amount. Okay. So basic amount, this is under non-refundable tax credits. Okay, even the CPP and then the EI, and we also have the Canada Employment Credit. These are all uh, non-refundable credits, even the donations, tuition transfers, and everything, right? So, with his total non-refundable credits, he has a taxable income, federal taxable income of 866. We will deduct this to this, and we get, and we add the provincial, and we have 8463 total payable. Okay. And since his employer has deducted 8530 from his income, this will be in the T4 too. Any excess amounts will be his refund here. So he has a refund of 7285. Okay. The spouse, the wife, has an income of 45,000 as well. With her non-refundable tax credits of CPP, same thing. She only has 2832 non-refundable tax credits. Okay. Her federal tax payable is 6719 plus provincial is 1998. Again, this 2832 we will deduct from the sum of these two, and we get to the total payable 5885. Any extra, she will get us refund. And notice here the annual child tax benefit. Okay, this is 1 year, so divided by 12, you will get to the monthly benefit. Okay, and second example is the spouse, same income, but then the wife or the common law partner has less than 12,000 income. All right, so let's see. Okay, now the spouse, okay, you notice here there's a spousal amount. Okay, he can claim the spousal he can claim what do you call that? Sorry for my I'm running out of English. Since his spouse has only have 12,000 income, he can claim the rest of the spousal amount, which is 3790. Okay. With that, his total non-refundable tax credits has increased 3692. Okay. Again, same income tax deducted. What's difference only is the total payable is lowered because of the total non-refundable tax credits. Okay, meaning to say he'll get a bigger refund of 641. Okay, so that's for the husband. Now for the lower income spouse, 12,000 income, right? Let's say for example, she contributed to CPP and EI. She only has 2663 non-refundable credits. And with the income, since she's in a lower tax bracket, her employer did not deduct any income tax from her income, and of course, no. That's why there's no refund. But then there's a employer deducted EI and CPP, so she is getting that back. Okay. So this refund is not from income tax, but from CPP and EI overpayment. You notice too that with the lower income, okay, hold on with this one. Yeah, with the lower income couple, CCB has increased. Okay. Now next one here, same couple, okay, but then the spouse or the common law doesn't have income. You see this one here, nothing to declare. So meaning to say, this spouse can claim all of the spousal amount. Okay, he will claim his own basic amount, and at the same time, he will claim the spousal amount. Okay, so if you notice here, total non-refundable tax credits for him is has gone bigger. Okay, meaning to say lesser total payable for him. All right. So if we deduct this 5575 to 8530, refund is bigger, 2960. Okay. And the child benefits of the female spouse or the female partner will be bigger as well. Right. So that's why the lower the income here in Canada, the bigger the tax benefit. All right. Um, is there anything else I missed here? Uh, yeah. So, how do you get the total tax payable? Okay. Total non-refundable tax credits. We add the federal and provincial, and then we deduct the non-refundable tax credits. We'll get to the total payable. Okay. And this one here determines if you need to pay or I yeah, if you owe the CRA or the CRA owes you. Okay. So even if, say for example, you have a total payable of 5575, but then your employer did not deduct enough tax in here, of course you will, okay, meaning to say you have to pay back the CRA. But with this example, okay, the employer has deducted enough, so CRA will give you the refund, right, of 2960. Okay, I hope that is clear. Again, this is a very, very basic tax calculation. Yeah, so if you want more, I am looking for, I mean, it's a pleasure for me if you guys want to reach out and let's discuss your own tax files. All right. Thank you again and have a great one.